Thank you.
So on this mining issue, one of your supporters, Goa Forward, Vijai Sardesai, said he has to rethink about supporting the BJP for the Lok Sabha. What do you have to say on this?
He is basically trying to express concern for the people who are getting affected by the stoppage of mining. So it is a fair thing to say. It should not be seen as trying to topple the government. These are two different issues.
So his concern not be considered a threat for the
It's not a threat, it is a concern for the people.
But he CM
And that same concern is with the BJP. So we are also concerned.
Sir, CM नहीं बोलकर ऐसा हलचल चल रहा है?
No, it cannot be said that. It has nothing to do with toppling the government. And which is not, in the other statement is also categorically said that let the Congress topple the government. I'll see.
I'll tell you.
So what it means is with the government.
What about MGP?
I cannot talk about them.
No, MGP is your coalition, you feel?
No, they are very strong with us, but you can never say with coalition partners.
You can never...
Not guarantee.
Guarantee.
Thank you.
फ्रान्सिस कोका-कोला प्लास्टिक रिसायकलिंग उपक्रम लॉन्च करताना उलयतालो. बीजेपीचो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष खासदार विनयाक विचारल्यार तो म्हणटा विजय म्हणटा ती परिस्थिती येवची ना. बीजेपी खंय कितें तरी उपाय काडटली.
नाजाल्यार लोकसभेक कितें तरी बरें सपोर्ट करचें तशी व्यवस्थीत करची ना अशें तिचें म्हणणें आसा. कितें नेमकी
म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता की बाब विजय सरदेसाचेर तो प्रसंग येवचो ना. ऑर्डिनन्स न्ही, सरकार कोर्टान गेल्लें आसा आनी आमचो केंद्रीय न्यायालयाचेर पूर्णपणे विश्वास आसा आनी आमकां गोंयकारांक न्याय मेळटलो, न्याय देंवचे निश्चितपणे म्हाका दिसता. हय हय जातलें आनी तसो प्रसंग विजयाचेर येवचो ना. येवचो ना.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळकार.